Potatoes are a versatile vegetable that offer numerous health benefits. They are a great source of vitamins and minerals, including vitamin C, potassium, and vitamin B6. Potatoes are rich in fiber, which aids digestion and promotes a healthy gut. They are also low in calories and fat, making them a good choice for weight management. Potatoes provide energy and are a great option for athletes and active individuals. They contain antioxidants that help protect against cell damage and reduce the risk of chronic diseases. Potatoes can be prepared in various ways, such as baking, boiling, or roasting. They can be enjoyed as a side dish, in soups, stews, or even as a main course. In conclusion, potatoes are not only delicious but also offer a range of health benefits. Incorporate them into your diet to enjoy their nutritional advantages.